This is a Black Friday rush in a store, and this is what it looks like on your website. But what if you could have prevented this by faking a high resource load? Enter Litmus Chaos, an open source chaos engineering framework for Kubernetes that Mercedes and Adidas swear by. But wait, before you Kubernetes haters switch off, you may want to watch till the end to see if I can destroy my own cluster. First, some basics of chaos engineering, which is trying to break production on purpose to find its weaknesses. This involves three things: a hypothesis, an assumption about the system, an experiment, the thing that tests your hypothesis, and a probe, the thing that observes the system's response to the experiment. Litmus Chaos works by using a control plane which manages and allows users to create experiments and probes via the chaos center, and the execution layer which executes experiments using Argo workflows and can also export metrics in a Prometheus-compatible format. Technically, you can install the control plane and execution layer in different clusters, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Instead, let's first create a cluster, install Litmus Chaos with Helm, create an ingress resource so it plays nice with Nginx, and to also give us access to the control center. This is where the fun really begins. We'll create an environment, which is where our experiments will run. We then need to enable a chaos infrastructure, which will install all the agents needed to execute our experiments. I like to put this in a different namespace. Then after downloading and applying the manifest, once the resources are ready, then the infrastructure should be connected. Now let's create a probe, which can either be HTTP, a command, a Prometheus PromQL query, or a Kubernetes probe. Let's keep it simple and create a HTTP probe, which will check if our app is available. We can add a URL, set the method, and make sure it gets this response code. Now we can create a new experiment, and we'll start off with a blank canvas because templates from Chaos Hub seem to have a weird issue. From here, we can add one of the pre-created Chaos faults, some for AWS, some for Azure, and some for GCP. We'll just pick this delete pod one from Kubernetes, making sure to fill in all the details and add our probe. We could continue adding Chaos faults, but we'll keep it simple for now. Let's run the experiment. Wait for it to install all the Chaos faults. Then let's watch it delete our database pod, after which Kubernetes will add a new one, which means our experiment passed, giving our system a 100% resilience score. But let's see if we can destroy my cluster by filling the disk and deleting a pod at the same time, hogging the CPU, hogging the memory, restarting a node, and killing the Docker service. So after a few spikes and destroyed resources, it looks like my system isn't quite ready to face the world of teenage hackers. But hey, if you want a free alternative to Gremlin and a more user-friendly version of Chaos Monkey, then definitely check out Litmus Chaos.